Hey guys, it's Jess from Gen Z, and Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So today I'm going to be showing you a Valentine's Day dessert hack. And I got all of these ingredients from Trader Joe's, and no, Trader Joe's did not pay me to say this, but this cake is like absolutely delicious. It's like has cream cheese frosting, it's chocolate icing, chocolate cake. It's really good. And then I'll also be using this like chocolate syrup from Trader Joe's, and then some pomegranate seeds, blueberries, and raspberries. Let's get started. So this is the chocolate cake, and it's a dark chocolate ganache mini sheet cake from Trader Joe's, as I said before. And the first step is to get a really cute plate like this one. And then you're gonna get your cake right in front of you. And there are different cookie cutters you can use. Like here I have this heart-shaped one, and here I have this flower one. Okay, so as I was saying, you're gonna get a cookie cutter. I have this heart one and then this flower one. And you don't wanna waste any of your cake, so I'm gonna do like this way so I get all the corners. And you're just gonna press it in all the way, like this. So now you're gonna use a fork and slowly lift your heart-shaped cake out from the pan and put it onto your plate. So now for the fun part, decorating your cake. And I'm gonna be using raspberries, blueberries, chocolate syrup, and pomegranates. But you can use whatever you want, depending on the person you're giving it to. So first, I'm going to use the pomegranates and decorate around the sides of the cake. Okay, so I'm going to put these 3 raspberries right here on the bottom right corner of my heart. And I'm going to do the blueberries around the heart like that. So I'll do that right now. Now I'm going to add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of my cake. Just gonna make it a little bit like there. And then I'm going to sprinkle chocolate syrup on the top of the ice cream, like this. So doesn't this look amazing for that special someone? And it was so easy to make, so I definitely recommend trying this at home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Gen Z. Comment down below what you think. See you next week.